Good morning, YouTube. Yes, I'm back with another suspension video. The last squeak. If you've changed the average ones in the rear, the top and the bottom, the upper and lower rear control arms, the one that people usually don't change is the lower control arm that holds the coil spring, the one with the cradle in it right here. I got some part numbers here for the lower, because it's like $50 for a used lower mount for your coil spring, and I'm like, I'm not doing that. I'm trying to hunt down a brand new part. So I went to Mopar Parts Giant and ordered, and this is the original part. That's the original part number for a brand new part. You just gotta hunt it down. That's gonna sit in it like this. Put your coil spring in there first. It kind of hugs and locks in, puts that there. Now you can find these anywhere. I got a part number on that too. Of course, where I get most of my parts, right here. It's the same for both sides. So you're also gonna need the top. Since you're at it, you may as well do it. This is the top one. It's gonna hook and cradle around there, and it's gonna go around here, kind of lock in there, and it's the upper for the coil spring. And that's the part number on there. Probably gonna have to order that too. And the noise that I was getting is coming out of this part of the bushings that were bad. So it's just that time. Like I said, it's probably the last squeak, but I can kind of make it do it like this, but it amplifies when you're going on streets that are uneven. So you get the picture. I'm just making this short so you can get the information and roll. All right.